And over 30 months, that single-diapered baby will use 715 pounds of plastic. That's as heavy as 3 heavyweight wrestlers. And that's not all. The soft, fluffy padding on the inside requires the pulp of 4.5 trees, all to keep one American toddler tidy. Multiply that by the number of babies in the U.S. and the grand total is 18 billion disposable diapers thrown away every year. That's enough to stretch around the world 90 times. And all those diapers will long outlive the babies who soiled them. It could take 500 years or more for them to biodegrade. It could be even longer because we don't really know how long it takes plastic to break down. And a 500-year supply of diapers would cover the entire state of Texas. So how can we avoid doing this? We need them because each of us drinks about 3 pints of milk a week. In a month, we down 14 pints, which in a year adds up to 168 pints. Over the course of a lifetime, all those cups of coffee, bowls of cereal, and ice cream add up. And this is what it looks like. We've laid out every single pint of milk that we will each consume in our lifetime. That's 13,056 pints of milk per person per lifetime. But milk is only a tiny part of our diet. As our toddlers grow up into school children, they'll face an avalanche of food to put into their bodies. Already, in just 2.5 years, they have left a lengthening trail of debris behind them. And much of it, the oils and plastics, will easily outlive them. So far, we've seen only the basic consequences of using diapers and drinking milk. Now, a lifetime of meals awaits our young school children. It will add up to quite a hefty helping and an ever-growing footprint. This is the story of our human footprint. Now, our American infants have become active children. As they grow, so will their appetites. Good thing we live in the land of plenty. And one thing there's plenty of is convenience foods. In our lifetime, we'll each devour 1,423 of them. That's the number of chickens in this pen. 2.3 tons of chicken, almost equal to the amount of beef we'll eat. And
we don't stop there. We also love their eggs. America's hens stay busy keeping up with the demand, laying over 210 million eggs every day. In 1 year, the total egg production across the country is a staggering 76.98 billion, laid by 255 million birds. We eat 5 eggs a week, and soon they start to add up. This is a year's supply of eggs, and as we make our way along them, we can soon see how 5 eggs a week becomes 21 in a month, which multiplied by 12 months makes up our annual total of 255 eggs. We love them scrambled, poached or fried on their own, or added in cakes, custards, and sauces. The ubiquitous egg is so hard to avoid that we eat 1.3 tons of them. To visualize just how many that is, we have gathered together the exact amount we each consume. These eggs are about to expire. Once they are loaded into a giant bucket, we will dump them in order to show you what a lifetime supply of eggs really looks like. Stand aside for the omelet of a lifetime. $19,826 eggs per person per lifetime. Meat and eggs are the dietary staples and nutritional powerhouses, giving us the protein to grow big and strong. But for day-to-day energy, nothing compares to carbohydrates, and our favorite source is the potato. We devour them, roasted, mashed, boiled, and best of all, fried.
So how many potatoes does the average American eat in a lifetime? The answer is 9,917 pounds worth. That's more than 4 tons, about the weight of this tractor and trailer. About 20,000 potatoes in all.
But even that's not enough to satisfy our craving for carbs. So we tear into bread, from sandwiches and pizza crusts, rolls and toast. Our footprint includes a trail of breadcrumbs. And just imagine how many wheat fields it takes to make it all. America devotes an area the size of Wyoming just to wheat fields. Just take the bread and pizzas alone. As a nation, we eat 350 slices a second. That's 100 acres of pizza per day.